Hello and welcome back to Learn with Lou. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to edit for TikTok using Final Cut Pro. So what you want to do is very simple, is just basically start a new project. So go to File and then we go to New and then Project. And this is all you got to do to make it so you can edit for TikTok rather than a normal video. So what you want to do is call it something. So we'll call this TikTok size. And then this is the important bit here, is the video thing. So if you want to edit for TikTok, you need to obviously put it in portrait. So all we want to do is switch that resolution so it's 1080 by 1920. Now as you can see, it won't do that here, and you can't really see it in the normal one. So what you want to do is come all the way down to custom and then literally just switch it across. So put in there 1080 and then that one 1920. You can leave the frame rate as it is unless you have a certain frame rate you've been filming in, and then leave that all the same and just press OK, and boom, there you go. Here you can see we have now got a portrait video selected in the inspector. So as you can see, this is our timeline, that's what it's going to be. I can put fit is 34%, and then you can just put in your video. So let's put in this one eternity later into the video timeline, and as you can see, it's fit there. It fits there, so then you can edit it so it fits better for your video. So I'll put one eternity later like that, or you can spin it for TikTok, do all these effects, and it's in there and it's ready for TikTok. Then all you got to do is export the video as you normally would, save it, put it back on your phone and upload from TikTok. So that has just been a very basic tutorial on how you edit for TikTok on Final Cut Pro. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button and share it on social media so your friends can see. Tell me in the comment section below any tutorials you want on any software on Apple, and I'll try and get that out for you as soon as possible. And if you're new here and won't mind clicking that subscribe button, that'll be awesome. I've been here on Learn with Lou, so we'll see you soon with another tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys.